hurting Smart Gilas here. At ito, Kevin Durant, hindi nagustuhan yung foul na yan si Marcio Lassiter.
Tama yun. That's the right idea for Lassiter. Don't just give the layup. Pakita natin sa magbisita natin, seryoso tayo. Sabi ni Kobe Bryant, sadali. Seryoso kayo? Seryoso din ako.
Sabi ni Kobe, hey man, this is just a 10-point game. Papasok na ako dito.
Tama yan. And you know, maganda rin itong ginagawa ng Smart Gilas because they're playing to win. You know, they're just not playing to go through the motions of playing an exhibition game.
Hindi sila fans.
Yes.
They're not fans. They're not here para...
After the game, pwede.
Pwede, pero during the game, hindi sila nagpapapicture, hindi po hunihingi ng mga autograph.
Oo.
Hindi katulad ni Richard.
Kaso ayaw ko pansinin. Next time, mag-shorts ako.
Alam mo, I think it's very clear that yung Smart Gilas ang battle cry dito nila is that they want to earn respect. Hindi lang sa mga bisita natin, pero sa Philippine public. They want to be recognized as the national team that will carry our flag sa world, sa FIBA Asia.
Good hustle by Asset Paulaba. Kanina free throws brought to you by Felix and Barakael.
Ito hindi natatakot. Mac Barakael, we've seen him play internationally. Walang kabayan.
More than halfway through the second quarter, Harden laban kay Barakael. Barakael, a tough defender. And a block by Asi. Here comes Jimmy. 10 points lang ang hinahabol ng Gilas. Lassiter. Lassiter fires. That's good!
Harap-harapan yun! Those outside shots are now falling para sa Gilas. 5 na! Ang natitira nila from 3-point distance.
And Richard, this is just a lead of single digits.
That's correct, and it's a good run. And I think now, ito, mas na-challenge itong Smart All-Stars. Look at that move! Not to finish.
That's a reach-in.
Right now, Smart Gilas playing more organized basketball. Medyo bumagal na nga yung pace ng game natin. Hindi kanina up and down. That's why they got, the Smart All-Stars got that big lead.
Marcus Dautit, ibabalik sa laro. Good effort by the second unit players. Kobe Bryant against Chris Chu. Here's Harden, babalik kay Kobe. Jimmy wants to help. Kobe, alley-oop!
Pressure on the passer. Palagay kayo na nasa isip ni Coach Raiko Toraman. Once that ball is up in the air at makukuha ng mga malalaki ng bisita natin, goodbye!
Shot clock down to 10. Bola na kay Lassiter. Lassiter, hook pass na huli. Huli yun. And turnover laban sa Smart All-Stars.
Ito, makikita natin, no? Chris Chu, he put a body on Kobe Bryant. Kaya nga lang, talagang matangkad rin dito si Kobe Bryant. Couldn't really prevent that lob pass going inside. At yun, they just used their height.
Tsaka pambihirang lob pass yun eh. From a guy who was posting up low.
Yes.
Kanya short lob pass, kanya pasok na pasok yun.
Barakael fires. Long. And goes over the backboard. Ayan, pwede abutin ni Maggie yan. Pwede yan, kaya mo yan, Jamel. Yes, Jamel, you can do it. Abutin mo yan, you can do it.
Pati itong bola, nagpapansin.
Come on, Jamel. Kaya mo yan, Jamel. Tapos i-dunk mo.
Ito, this is something that we did not prepare for. Ayun! Perfect na.
Sige, Jamel, kaya mo yan.
Ano?
Isa pa.
Yan ang Pinoy. Kita mo.
Abilidad. Abilidad.
Dito, tinintayad lang eh. Yan ang Pinoy. Mas madali.
Ano
Magkapaghihirapan. Yan.
Pero pinahirapan muna si Maggie no? bago nilabas yung pansundot.
Para mapagod.
Ito na naman. Pumapose si Kobe Bryant. Now they double team him.
Here's Evans, Tyreek Evans, no go. Good backside by Chris Chu. Chris Chu, Sinasa, Jamie Casio. Oh! Not that ball. Nakuha ni Chris Chu. Chris Chu nabitawan. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul. Hindi ko alam kung kay JV Casio kung kanina pinapakililit pa niya ay nakaliyo. Parang sinabi niya sa inyo na tong bola.
And Kobe Bryant giving instructions to his teammates. He is the playing coach. Tandaan ko 2 years ago, nung nagpa-interview dito si Kobe Bryant, sabi niya he'd never be a playing coach. And he'd never coach.
Ay,
What
alam mo,
2 years can do.
wala na po imposible ngayon. Munti ka na, tipid para kay Lassiter. This is just a 9-point ball game. Tyreek Evans to Harden. And James Harden is uncontested.
One thing I can say about the Smart All-Stars, they're in good shape. Kaya nilang tumakbo, makipagsabayan.
Right now, one shot at a time lang po tayo against the towering front line led by Javel McGee. Bryant, poposte ulit, laban kay Chris Chu. Bryant, palapit ng palapit. Pinasa, Williams. Derek Williams may have been stepping there. Harden, good fake. He fires, open shot. That's good.
That's just a veteran move para dito kay Harden.
He had all time to aim. Alam mo, kapansin-pansin dito, no? With the way the Smart All-Stars are playing, they've made Marcus Doughtit look like an ordinary player.
I like that move by Lassiter. You know, even though ang lalaki na nga ng kalaban, really challenged the defense and brought the ball to the heart of the defense and got that layup.
2 minutes na natitira sa second quarter. Evans, Pinasa, Harden, pumeke ulit. Babalik kay Kobe, laban kay Chris Chu. Kobe Bryant has the ball.
They're looking to play the triangle. Kobe Bryant.
No, got the bounce. Ano ba yan? Hanggang dito sa Pilipinas, may shooter's bounce pa rin siya. Balik. Bumalik. Ang malaking lamang dito ng Smart All-Stars, 47-33. That was down to just 8 points earlier. JV Casio for 3. Not that time. Evans. Pumihit. That's his favorite move. And a tip-in para kay Kobe Bryant.
You know, it took the re-entry of Kobe Bryant in this game to put some more distance between his team and Smart Gila's team.
Tama yun. Yung seriousness at saka yung competitiveness ni Kobe Bryant. Litaw dito.
Lassiter. Uy, naku, nasundot. And Kobe almost saves it. 58.7 seconds remaining. The Smart All-Stars recovering their bearings dito. Lumayo ulit. 49-33. Magbabalik po kami. Sa first half, lumalayo po dito Smart All-Stars. 49-33. Sayang po kanina. 7 puntos lang ay nahabol. But we do have itong ating Metro Pacific Tollways fast break play. Javier Aguilar, posterizing Kevin Durant. Di po tayo nananaginip. Nangyari po yan kanina. Atin sa inyo ng Metro Pacific Tollways fast break plays. 58.7 seconds remaining. At of course, Mr. Bobby Barrero of TV5, part of this mammoth crowd inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Napansin natin, behind Mr. Bobby Barrero, si Mr. Giselle Dosi.
That's right.
PBL chairman. Siya po ang CEO ng Everbilena.
Ano ang marahil pag-uusapan ni Coach Raiko Toroman pagpasok ng Smart Gilas sa dugout?
Palagay ko yung pasahan nila, no? Because kung sila nagkukulang long passes, tapos yung tendency to go one-on-one against yung mga bisita natin, and that's creating turnovers. At alam naman natin, pag nagkakaroon ng turnovers, goodbye na 2 points kabila. And that's something that they need to be able to work on sa kanilang execution in the half court. Crisp passing, dapat hindi nagtitigil yung bola ng matagal sa mga kamay ng isang mga player. So dapat tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang flow.
Kita naman, saktong-sakto. Yung paliwanag ni Kinito, talagang nag-360 view tayo. Inubos po natin yung 360 view. Pinagmamasdan natin itong napakaraming tao na nandito. And nakikita natin lahat nakangiti, lahat matutuwa. And everyone just having a fantastic time this weekend.
This is a dream come true for all Filipino basketball fans. This is really an ultimate all-star weekend. And everybody's just enjoying the moment. Marami rin tayo mga in-venue entertainment dito. Kaya naman kahit timeout, tuwan-tuwa ang mga tao.
Ako the closest to a big all-star event held sa atin bayan was in 1974. Bagong panganak lang ako doon.
Nanganak ka?
Ano?
Nanganak ka ba?
No, that must have been your rebirth. Anyway, you can even go ahead.
Yun nga, sila Gail Gordon, sila Jeff Petrie. But since then, it's been a long time. Noong nagkaroon din ng 1979 tour, yung Washington Bullets dito. Pero kulang-kulang sila, no? They were only 8 players.
Evans, Harden. Shot clock down to 10. Under a minute remaining. First half, it's Kobe Bryant against Japet Aguilar. Kobe, hesitation move. Pumihit. Double team. Good defense. Oh, they call a foul. Laban kay Marcus Doughty.
Si Doughty at saka si Japet Aguilar. Sinabi kay Kobe Bryant, sorry. Nag-apologize pa sila sa kanilang magandang depensa.
Isang napagandang may near 3-point shot mula kay Dondon Ontiveros. Here's James Harden. Oh, hits a 3.
He's developed that, yung kanyang 3-point shooting. Average 12.2 points sa kanilang liga last year. Harden had 17 points in the game kahapon against the PBA Select.
Yes! Good execution there. A great pass coming from Chris Chu.
Pero pa tayo 10 seconds na natitira dito. 52-37. Smart All-Stars on top. They can write the last sentence of the first half. Tyreke Evans has the ball. Tyreke blocked by Japet pero may foul.
Napakagandang execution ng play na yon for the Smart Gilas Pilipinas team.
Ano, free throws po tayo. Sa inyo ng Phoenix. Tyreke Evans. Nung rookie to, ginulat ang lahat. No? Wala po nag-akala na ganun po siya katindi at ganun po kabangis. At kaya ngayon po, isa na siya sa mga tanyag na between no, sa kanilang liga. Meantime, Tyreke Evans. Oh! I think it's going to count.
I think it will count.
Iba na yung magaling, tapos suwerte pa. Ano pa ang magagawa natin doon?
Ang sakit naman doon. With a hard work that Smart Gilas exerted para lang makalapit kanina. And Tyreke Evans talk about a lucky shot over Marcus Doughty and Japet Aguilar. Initsa pataas off the glass. It's good. Aray.
Well, biggest lead on the part of Smart All-Stars sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. 18 points yan. And kahapon, ang lead ng Smart All-Stars over the PBA Select at the half was 16.
So, ito po. Lamang po Smart All-Stars at we'll be back with more unforgettable, exciting, intriguing action mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito ang ultimate Smart All-Star Weekend dito sa Active on IBC.
From Will Time, Big Time, the Big Time Dancers!
I like my beats fast. I like my beats fast. Bass, 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 bass down low. 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 You gotta know.